Hey, what's up? It's another episode of Watch You Strappin. These aren't watch reviews, they're just a quick wristwatch check of the day. Usually just showing a pairing of a aftermarket strap on a watch that I have. But if it's a new watch, I will show it on its OEM factory bracelet or strap first, and then go from there. And so this is a pretty recent purchase and acquisition. If you kind of follow my channel and Instagram, and maybe you might be part of the same groups that I am on Facebook and stuff, you might have seen me post this already as the first watch of 2024 and unboxing. And anyways, this is the first day I actually get a chance to wear it. Size the bracelet, and to the best size possible for my wrist. And it is on I got this on the factory beads of rice bracelet, which is pretty darn comfortable. Nicely done for the most part. Admittedly, I wish there was more, or rather less, high polish areas, such as this part of the glass, which is likely to get scratched quite easily, especially being right in the center. And it is a little bit more of the raised area of that bracelet too. These beads of rice are high polished. Wouldn't have been bad if they were brushed as well, but there are some really nice high polishing on this watch. Actually, it's quite good. I have to say, when you look at the reflections of the high polish areas, if they're almost mirror-like, you can get a really pretty good. I can't show you myself here, but from what I can tell, it's actually even the small high polish areas have some pretty decent reflections that aren't too distorted, which is pretty good. But anyways, going back to this class and bracelet, I would say it works. I got a good fit with what we have to work with here. I would say it would have been nice if they had added their new class like they did on the newest Hydro Conquest DMT. They have a quick adjustment without for micro adjustments without any tools, which should really be an industry standard, especially when you're up at this level. And this is kind of I would consider this one of if not the flagship for Longines as far as their dive watches go, the Legend Diver. And of course, this is in the 39, new size, no date. We redid the case, lugs, a lot of things actually, and I think it's quite nice. Really like that blue lacquer dial. It's not too overly saturated. It's actually a little bit muted too. So in some ways, it looks almost like a dark blue gray in some lighting. And you can see it's not completely flat too. They did have some bit of raised indices. You can see some of the shadows and a little bit of depth. You can see on the applied markers, the 12, 3, 6, and 9, and maybe even that little bar that's right in front of it. And I do believe even the baton markers at the other spots are also similarly raised a bit. So that's kind of nice. But I hear the loom is okay. It's passable, but I'm not too worried about it. But yeah, so this is basically it. I definitely have a lot of 20 millimeter straps that I can throw on this, and this could be a very good strap monster as well, I can imagine. So that's basically it. This was, like I said in my initial unboxing, I think this has stuck to me in my mind rather since I saw it. It was kind of early announcement, sort of a low-key announcement at a Topper Longines event there back in October. And when I saw it, and especially in this color and on the bracelet, I was like, wow, this really fits and looks nice on wrist. My wrist is about 7 inches, and I think the new 39, especially with the shorter lugs, and I think it might be even slightly thinner profile over the previous Legend Divers. Overall, it works really nicely. So that's basically it. So we shall see more strap options, I'm sure, on this guy in the future. So thanks for watching, and enjoy your watches.